Hello friends, I'm Ihsan from ebangaloreproperty.com. This is a brand new independent house available for sale named as Elita Villa number 10, just 1.5 kilometers from Uttarahalli bus stand and junction, 3 kilometers from Mantri Mall and Dotkal Sandra metro station off Kanakpura Road. Built on 20 by 37.5 north facing BDA approved A Khata site. 30 feet tar road is there in front. Developed locality with Kaveri water, own borewell, underground sanitary line. North facing site, north facing door. Beautiful stone cladding work has been done in the entrance. To the left side there is a setback offset given for ventilation purpose. Very unique designed house. North facing site, north facing door. 750 square feet land area, hence named as Elita Villa series. So this is living room, spacious living. Lots of wall paneling work has been done in this house. In the northwest Vayumule below the steps, this is a common toilet. Neatly furnished, fully fitted. Jaguar brand fittings. Ceiling level wall tiles 2x4. Digital wall tiles, anti-skid flooring, all teakwood doors and windows, internal door frames teakwood, veneer polished doors. Behind this TV unit in the southeast corner there is kitchen. East facing, this is puja room in the center. Wall tiles are there. Zircon stone work done in the puja room, wooden ceiling with LED lighting. So this is a latest fully modular kitchen, blue and white combination. Full wall tiles are there. Loft is there on top. Chimney provision is there. This is a utility service area. 2 feet wide with safety grill, 7 feet wall tiles, again 2x4, anti-skid flooring. Inside the house you can see this grey color, very rustic looking granite flooring, light color walls, and this is a very good combination. And this is the channel and soft closing baskets. Next to kitchen, this is first bedroom, about 10 by 12 feet. Wardrobe, wall paneling and POP fall ceiling with LED lighting. If required, you can use it as a dining space, separate dining space. Mirrors are yet to be fitted. You can see these mirrors are kept here. So all the bedrooms will have dressing mirrors as part of the deal. Now we'll go to the next level. This is second floor. Second floor has a study room in the center, 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. So this is second bedroom with blue and white theme, Attached bathroom and balcony is also there. This is a road facing bedroom. Attached bathroom, wall mounted toilet with concealed flush tank, ceiling level wall tiles 2x4. This is the balcony, roadside facing balcony, 2 feet wide with glass railing, glass and stainless steel. Cladding is done here. LED lighting and false ceiling work is also done. Overall 2800 square feet of super built up area. So that was a small study, and this is the master bedroom. Master bedroom has lots of woodwork, wall paneling, wardrobe, study, dressing area separate, and attached bathroom. This one is right in the southwest corner. This is dressing area. Mirror will be fixed. Attached bathroom here. Side glass for natural light. Large window is there. Now we have reached the top floor, third floor. Third floor has this fourth bedroom with attached bathroom, and there is a terrace area also. This is same as master bedroom. You can say another 2 master bedrooms are there. You can decide which one to use. There is also partial terrace, fully covered with mangrove tiles, anti-skid flooring. Overall a very good deal, better than 20-30 houses. Less price than 30-40 houses. Please read the description for complete details. Thank you for watching this video.